On this video today, I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience, and without investing any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end because I'm going to show you an offer that has a higher payout and a cheap traffic source that you can use to promote the offer. One good thing about the traffic source is that it requires low minimum deposit. So even if you're a complete beginner with low budget, you can get started with this website that I'm about to show you. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. You can join AppMind, you can join CPA Lead, you can join OGRs, or any CPA network that you know. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for CPA Group and join. Once you join and log in, what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. To find offers, you have to come right here and then click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you have to select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then find offers that you can promote. As you can see on your screen, these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a lot of different offers that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So any offer that you want, you can click on it and then get your affiliate link so that you can promote the offer. CPA offers, they are geo-specific. They are not allowed in any country that you want. Each of the offers has a specific country where it is allowed to be promoted. So as you can see all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United States so that they can click on your affiliate link and then take the action before you are paid. So if you have a traffic source in the United States, you can select any of these offers to promote. But what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to be promoting these offers because all these offers, the payouts are very low. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a different country where I can get offers that have higher payout. To search for a country, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. You can see they have a lot of different countries available, and if you click on any of the countries, you see the offers that are allowed to be promoted to that country. So just scroll and select any of the countries that you want. In this case, we are going to search for United Kingdom. So search for United Kingdom. Once you search for it, you can see United Kingdom. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to look at each of the offers and the requirements before you promote them. You can see, for example, this offer right here, get your boxer shorts. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter their credit card details so that they can get started with the boxer shorts trial, and you are going to be paid $4.28. You can see they have to perform the action on an Android device. The next one, you can see mobile install. So your potential visitors are required to install an app and you are going to be paid $4.37. There are a lot of different offers with different requirements, so you can go through all the offers and then select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to look at one of the offers that has a higher payout. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the offer right here. You are going to be earning $10.27. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter an email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning £500 gift card. Once they enter their details, whether they win the gift card or not, you are going to be paid $10.27. You can see they have to perform the action on an Apple iOS. So you have to target people who live in the United Kingdom and they are using Apple iOS devices. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning right here and you can see the payout. You can see some information about the offer. This is the title of the offer and you can see the description right here. This is an image of the offer, and when you click right here, you can select any tracking domain that you want. There are a lot of different tracking domains. Just select any of them that you want. It does not really matter which of the tracking domains that you select, so you can leave it at the default or you can select the one that you want. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that they can stand the chance of winning 500 gift cards. Once they enter their details, you are also going to be paid the payout. You can see $10.27. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to your affiliate link. You can use paid traffic source, you can use free traffic source. In this case, I'm going to be using a paid traffic source. Most of you have been asking me to show you a traffic source that requires low deposit. So I'm going to show you a paid traffic source that requires low deposit so that you can deposit your money. Once you deposit the money, you can begin to run ads so that you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then take the right action for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is popads.net. This is one of the best websites that you can use to advertise your affiliate links because it gets a lot of traffic from tier 1 countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Another good thing about the website is that the interface is very simple. So even if you're a beginner, you can still run ads on this website. Now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can begin to run ads on the website. To create an account, just click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you have to enter your username, enter your email address, enter your email address again. Once that is done, you're going to select the account type. So select advertiser. You are not a publisher, you are an advertiser, so select that. Once that is done, enter your password, confirm your password. Once that is done, scroll down and then enter your first name, last name, phone number. Once that is done, you are going to click right here. I have read and accepted terms and conditions. Once that is done, click on register so that you can get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, click on new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, you're going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So type any name that you want. So in this case, I'm going to type gift, something like this, gift. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste your affiliate link here. You can paste multiple URLs. That is, if you are promoting different links, you can select multiple links. Once you select it, you can paste the links here. In this case, we are promoting one offer, so select single URL. Once that is done, paste your affiliate link here. So you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see enable landing page prefetching. So if you want, you can do that. If you don't want that, you can leave it. In this case, we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see quality. When you click on it, you can select exactly or you can leave it at least. In this case, we are going to leave it at least. Once that is done, you can also select the rating. So you can select any rating that you want. In this case, I'm going to select 4/10, so at least 4/10. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see frequency capping. How many times do you want a person to see your ad per day? So we have one impression per 1 day. If you want, you can increase it or you can decrease it. In this case, I'm going to leave it at default. Once that is done, you can see after approval, you have to leave it at default. You want your campaign to start running immediately it is approved. If you select pause, it means once your ad is approved, you have to log in to enable it. But in this case, we are going to select start so that our ad can start running immediately it is approved. Once that is done, you can see prime spot, all traffic. If you don't want all traffic, you can select any of them that you want. But in this case, we are going to leave it all traffic. Once that is done, you can see the landing page contains adult content. Our landing page does not contain adult content, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see referral, standard, we have blank, random, leave it at standard. Once that is done, you can see ad block, all traffic, leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see ad type. You have to select the ad format. If you want pop under, you can select that. If you want pop up and then the rest, you can select that. In this case, I want pop up, so select it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see budget, click on it. Once you click on it, you can enter the maximum byte, the amount that you want to pay per every click that you get. So enter any amount that you want. You can see right here, if you do not want to pay more than $5 for 1,000 pops up, enter 0.005 here. So you can enter that amount. Just enter 0.005. In this case, let's increase it a little bit so that we can be getting a lot of impressions. So I'm going to enter 7. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see daily budget. If you want to enter a limit, you can do that. You can see budget, how much are you going to spend on your ad, so you can enter the figure here. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see throttling, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just leave everything and then click on categories. Once you click on categories, you have to select the categories that you are targeting. In this case, what we want to do is that we want to target all categories. We want people to see our ad and then click on it so that they can get access to £500 gift card. So it does not matter any of the categories that we select. You want to select all of them. So you have to click on general. Once you select general, click right here so that all of them will be moved here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have selected the category, the next step is that you're going to scroll down. You can see country targeting. Click on it and then select the country that you are targeting. In this case, the offer is allowed in the United Kingdom. So search for United Kingdom. Search for United Kingdom. Once you search for it, you can see United Kingdom. Select it. Once you select it, you are going to click right here so that it will appear here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you can see regions. If you want to target a specific region in United Kingdom, you can do that. But in this case, we are targeting all the regions. So just click right here so that all of them will appear here. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see society targeting. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see language targeting. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select the language that you are targeting. In this case, the people who live in the United Kingdom speak English, so we have to target English. So search for English. Once you search for English, you can see English United Kingdom. Select it. Once you select it, click right here so that it will appear here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see population. If you want to select the numbers, you can do that, but in this case, we just want to move all of them, so just select all of them right here. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see environment targeting. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see operating system. You have to select the operating system that the offer is allowed on. In this case, the offer is allowed on Apple iOS. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select iOS. Once you select iOS, click right here so that it can be moved. As you can see, that has been done. You can see all the iOS has been selected. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see browsers. There is no restriction, so we are going to select all browsers. Just click right here so that you can move all the browsers. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see screen resolution. There is no restriction, so click right here to move all of them. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see device targeting. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the devices. In this case, it is allowed on iPhone, so select smartphone. Once you select it, click right here so that it will appear here. You can also select tablet and then click right here so that it will appear here. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see devices. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can select the appropriate device. So just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see Apple iPhone. So you have to select it and then click right here so that the iPhones will be selected. The offer is allowed on Apple iPhone, so select Apple iPhone. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see connection targeting. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the different connections. Just select all of them. Once that is done, you can see connection speed. Select all of them. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see internet service provider. Select all of them. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see time targeting. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can schedule your campaign. So if you don't want your ad to run on any day of the week or any time of the day, you can do that. But in this case, we're going to leave it at default. So just leave it. Once that is done, you can see website targeting. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see if you want to exclude a website or if you want to include a website, you can do that right here. But in this case, we are going to leave it at default. Once that is done, you can see add score traffic validation. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see proxy traffic, block, junk traffic, block, bot traffic, block. We don't want those kind of traffic, so just block all of them. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down and then click on summary. Once you click on summary, you can see everything about your campaign. You can see the details about your campaign. We estimate you will receive 25,000 impressions per day. This is the number of impressions that you are going to be getting per day. You can see your position in bidding queue is 18. So what I suggest is that you have to increase your bid so that you can come third, second or first. Once you're on top of the queue, you can be getting a lot of traffic. So what you have to do is that you have to increase your bid so that your ad will rank higher than your competitors. So enter a higher bid and then beat your competitors. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click on create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you can see there were errors in your submission. Please review them. What they want you to do is that they want you to deposit money first before you can submit an ad. You can see the budget has been marked red. So what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that you can be able to create the ad. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click on billing. Once you click on it, you can be able to deposit money into your accounts. You can see we are currently experiencing difficulty in processing some cryptocurrency transactions. So if you want to deposit the money via cryptocurrency, you have to stop and then use a different method. You can see right here, make a transaction. They have withdrawal and deposit. In this case, you are an advertiser. What we want to do is that we want to advertise our products. So you have to select deposit. You want to deposit money into our accounts. If you are a publisher, you are going to click on withdraw so that you can withdraw your earnings. But we are advertisers, so you have to click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you can see these are the methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. When you click on it, you can see they have credit card, bank transfer, capitalist, and the rest. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of the payment method that you want, you can use it to deposit money into your accounts. You can see right here, the minimum deposit amount is $10. So even if you're a beginner, you can get $10 to deposit into your accounts so that you can run ads on this website. You can see credit card payments are approved instantly. Wire payments will be reviewed by an administrator. So if you are using PayPal or credit card, you can make an instant deposit. But if you are using a wire transfer, it will be reviewed by an administrator. Once it is reviewed, your money will be deposited and you can run ads on the website. So this is one of the best traffic source that you can use because the minimum deposit is very low. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.